Hey, it's Sean from P2R. Most of you know us for our work on the Honda and Acura J-Series engines, but today I want to walk you guys through some of the other stuff we do here and show you the process of us machining this throttle body adapter. Here at P2R, we manufacture a wide range of throttle body adapters. These adapters allow customers to run different throttle bodies on different intake manifolds and engine combinations. Whether you're upgrading airflow, adapting a newer throttle body, or just building something custom, these adapters make that possible. In a lot of cases, we're not just selling off-the-shelf parts. We're actually solving fitment problems and helping customers make combinations work that otherwise wouldn't bolt together. Today I'm going to walk you through how we design them, how we machine them, and what goes into making sure every single adapter meets our quality standards. So as many of you know, a lot of the bigger throttle bodies out there don't just bolt up to your original intake manifold. There's a lot of things that change, whether it's the bolt pattern, the bore size, sensor placement, or even orientation. You might have an intake manifold that flows great, but a throttle body you want to run just doesn't bolt directly up. That's where an adapter comes in. It bridges the gap, maintains proper airflow, alignment, and allows you to use components that you actually wouldn't want instead of being locked into one option. We make adapters for a wide range of applications, not just the J-Series. And we also do one-off custom adapters for customers who are building something unique. Everything starts here with the material. We source all of our aluminum right here in the USA. We specifically use high-quality 6061 aluminum because it machines well, it's strong, it holds threads properly, and it gives us a really nice surface finish when it cuts correctly. Even down to our tooling and coolant, we're running high-quality end mills and sourcing our coolant domestically as well. That might sound like a small detail, but coolant quality plays a big role in tool life, surface finish, and overall consistency of your part. All these little tricks stack up to produce a better final product. All of our adapters are designed here in-house. We model everything ourselves so we can control the dimensions, tolerances, port alignment, bolt hole accuracy, and repeatability. When we design a part, we're not just thinking about how it looks. We're thinking about how it's going to be machined effectively, how consistent it will be from part to part, and how it's going to fit on real engines in the real world. We also design our parts so that it can be repeated accurately every single time, which is critical when you're producing performance components. Once the design is finalized, the part goes into our CNC machine. A single adapter might run multiple tools, different end mills for roughing, finishing, chamfers, deburring, all to achieve the surface finish and accuracy that we're looking for. We deburr many of the edges directly in the machine so that every part comes out consistent instead of relying on manual hand finishing where variation can creep in. This ensures that bolt holes line up correctly, sealing surfaces are clean, and the part installs smoothly for the customer. One thing that really separates us is our ability to do custom work. If a customer has a unique throttle body or a custom intake manifold, we can often design and machine a one-off adapter specifically for your application. That flexibility is huge, as a lot of racers and fabricators have relied on us to help them get through what they're looking to make happen. So that's a quick look at how we manufacture throttle body adapters here at P2R, from material sourcing to design to machining to the final quality control. If you're working on a build and you need an adapter, whether it's something we already offer or a custom solution, feel free to reach out to us on our website, powerrevracing.com, and be sure to check out all of our social media platforms. They're all at powerrevracing. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow along for more behind-the-scenes content from our shop. We got a lot more coming and look forward to seeing you again.